Howdy do, Ben Coton here again, and here we are for a surprise unboxing. I don't know what's in this package because I've ordered a few things and a few boxes have come, and this is box number 1. So let's get to it. Let's open her up and see what's inside. The box was delivered today, so we will see. We have some bubble wrap. We have some Shala security locks. We have some Gibson strap buttons. We have a Tascam DR-60D Mark II linear PCM recorder for DSLR. How very good is that? Let's have a quick open up. An instruction manual. A USB lead. And the unit itself. There we are. She's in a little package at the moment, and a little... Can we get it out? Yes, we can. And there we are. How very nice. So we will be having a first look at that very soon. Very good. Let's put that back together because we have one more item in this large box. Oh, no, that didn't go in like that, did it? And there we are. Empty! Fresh air. And in this one, we have, so the label informs me, a bottle of Black Forest syrup, coffee syrup. Let's have a quick look. I bought this, I ordered this because I like to have a cup of coffee every now and again. And I like to go and have a cup of coffee in a well-known coffee shop, beginning with C and ending in Oster, around the United Kingdom. And I like to have some of this because they don't do it in Costa anymore. There we are. This is my favourite. So I'll be having some of that. At last, we've ordered it, it's arrived. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, like this video and subscribe to my fantastic channel for more wonderful videos very soon, including another unboxing or maybe 3 unboxings. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.